In lecture example number 6, it wants us to find the concentration, so that's in moles per liter. What's wrong with this thing? Moles per liter of lead ion and chromate ion in a saturated solution, given that KSP is 1.8 times 10 to the negative 14th. So we need to think about when lead 2 chromate dissociates, it's going to dissolve into a lead ion and a chromate ion. And so that means when X amount of this dissolves, you'd get X and X amount. The KSP expression would be the concentration of lead ion times the concentration of chromate ion. No exponents or anything because it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So we end up with KSP is going to equal X times X, or you could rewrite that as X squared. So we could take the square root of each side. The square root of 1.8 times 10 to the negative 14th comes out to be, rounded for sig figs, 1.3 times 10 to the negative 7th moles per liter. And that would equal the concentration of lead ion, and it would equal the concentration of our chromate ion.